Alright guys, I want to talk to you about my Cityscape Masterclass. As you know, or maybe don't know, I've published a book on New York and I've published a book on Paris in black and white, and for the first time I did my first color book on Venice. I created a course called the City Masterclass course. But first, let me show you a little video that I did in Paris on this book, how I find the right composition. You see, I think when shooting cities, there's a lot of composition tricks to know. And that's really what I want to cover a little bit in this free video. All right, so I'm here, I'm back in Paris. Today is a very white sky day. It's raining, but it's a great opportunity to do black and white photography. In this episode, I want to show you the process that I take to find the right composition of my photography. You know, what mistakes do I do first before I come to the right photo? That's a bit the idea of this tutorial. So come on with me, follow me in Paris, and let's make some photos. I'm singing in the rain. Okay, so we arrived on the Pont Birakem, a beautiful, beautiful bridge that was created by Mr. Gustave Eiffel, the man behind the Eiffel Tower. In this photo, what I'm going to try to do is a frame in a frame. We have a very natural frame here of the Birakem Bridge, magnific bridge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take by hand, because it's daylight. I'm not going to do a long exposure because there is no reason to, because we don't have clouds, we don't have water. But I'm just going to try to do a frame in a frame. And I'm going to try to go low so that we get the whole frame and the Eiffel Tower. So I'm 1635, I'm at like 18 millimeter, very wide. And I'm gonna try, all right. So if you stand up very high, the problem is that the Eiffel Tower almost touches the arch. If you go a little bit lower, then I don't have that problem. It's actually a cool framing. We could make a nice black and white photo where I have two arches and the Eiffel Tower. I love to do frame in a frame. I think it simplifies the composition and it's really interesting. I'm gonna even try a panel. I took 4 photos and I see if I can stitch them together and make a panel. It could be interesting. But I love this frame in a frame. Okay, let's find something else. One thing that is very interesting about this bridge is that it's got amazing leading lines with all these arches. So I'm going to try to play around with that because it gives 3 dimensions to your photo. It gives depth. So let's play around with that a bit. Okay, I'm going to try to go in the middle because we will get even more leading lines there. So this is an interesting framing, but it only works if you are like at very wide at 16, where you can have all the leading lines of the bridge plus the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so now we have different framing, mostly frame in a frame. Let's go to Lightroom and Photoshop and retouch it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like that type of things, check out my Cityscape Masterclass course. It really is a course on how I did the 3 books and how I've been doing photography for 10 years. I got a great offer for you. Check out down here.